Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have a B&M haul. I actually haven't done a big haul like this, like where I've gone in and come out with 3 bags. I just sort of nip in and out of there, pick up what I need, and I've actually found some really nice things. I think it's because we're now transitioning through to like the new year and they're now getting all of their new things in. So I've been on a little bit of a spree, and I've got cleaning bits in here. I've got some new bathroom bits because we're renovating our bathroom, and I've also picked up some seasonal, have I? Oh, they're kind of seasonal. They're like spring because they don't actually have out. Well, my store didn't have out its Easter stuff, but I've now seen on Instagram that they are slowly rolling it out. So I'm gonna show you the cleaning stuff first because there's some really nice newness and we all love a good cleaning product. So we have got some fairy non-bio pods. I have been using these for the longest time now. I just think with the kids, like, this is my go-to. So I've got another pack of those, and to go with them, I'm actually so happy about this. This is my second bottle. It is the Fairy fabric softener, but in the scent Fresh. So they've actually brought out scented Fairy fabric softener. That is such a tongue twister. And as much as I love the original Fairy scent, like, it literally reminds me of babies and just, you know, that first wash you do with like all their little newborn clothes. However, this new scent is definitely my favourite, and they actually had another one in there. It was like honey and something, but this one is just the best one for me. It is the Silk Tree Blossom and Jasmine. I can't recommend it enough. It's my favourite at the moment. I then saw on Zoflora's Instagram they have a new scent out, so I had to pick up the whole collection because this is my new Zoflora scent. Because I think I've been like so sick of the Christmas scents at the moment. Like, I just don't want Christmas or winter anymore. Like, I want fresh and spring and clean. And this is that, but it is also peach. It's so fruity. I love a fruity smell. So when I saw this on their Instagram, I think B&M is the only place to stock it. They may do it in Asda as well, I think it said, but I had to get it. It's just so nice, like the smell of this. Like, I actually wish you could smell it. It's the peach for me. So it's tulip and peach blossom. So I picked up the multi-purpose disinfectant because recently, I've said this in my cleaning video, I absolutely love putting some Zoflora in a bottle with water and just using it everywhere around my house because it smells so good. So I've got one of them, and then I also picked up the multi-purpose disinfectant cleaner so I can have that in the kitchen. I think it's just gonna smell so good. And then I also grabbed some of the biodegradable wipes. I love the packaging as well. Like, this is just so, this is given spring and I cannot wait. Like, I'm not a winter girl anymore. I used to think I was, but I'm just not. Like, I really, and I don't even think I'm a spring girl, although this year I'm really into my garden, so I think I'm gonna really enjoy. Like, I've even planted daffodil bulbs and I've never done that before, so I'm really excited to see them just come up, hopefully, fingers crossed. So to go with sort of the spring vibes, I got this. This is actually for the Valentine's range, but I think we could use this way into spring. It's so cute. I actually needed a new one of these. I'm gonna get it out because I want to see. Oh my God, it's even got a little bow on. It's so cute. Look, how adorable is that? And then the little highs, the little eyes are hearts, which is just so cute. And I really do need a new one of these in my sink because mine is just really old and horrible now. So I've got a new one of those to go with all my pink cleaning products. Stick with the theme of spring, although there's some Christmas in here. What on earth is going on? B&M, they had all their Christmas stuff fully, like more than 50% actually. I don't know how they're selling it at these prices, but I've got some cleaning stuff in here too. I picked up some Fairy Platinum dishwasher tablets. How many do you get in there? 15. So that's going to last me like 2 weeks, and it's $3.99. I just can't buy dishwasher tablets for like £10. I think it's outrageous. Like, I just feel like I'm being more savvy if I'm buying a cheaper pack, and I'm only buying 2 a month. £4 is about £8. Maybe I am being more savvy. I'm gonna share these because these are given spring. How beautiful these are. They had a whole collection. I didn't take any footage in store, like landscape ways, so I can put it in this video, but I did take some footage upright ways. I'm gonna edit it into a video and put it as a short on here. So if you wanna see like the new spring bits in B&M, have a little look out for that. I'll make sure I get it up when this video is up. So these are £3.50 each, and I really do love to have a seasonal mug in my cupboard. I've got like Christmas ones, and I've got the little pumpkin ones for Halloween, so I thought these would be so nice to have for like spring, summer. I've just never seen anything like it. They had the plates, they had, I think I may have seen a cake stand, but I might not be correct on that. But they just had so many cute like little daisy bits, and I just love it. And I don't even drink tea or coffee or hot chocolate, but I do like to have a nice mug in my cupboard, and I'll put squash in there or I'll put fizzy in there, and I will use them because they're just so nice. I actually picked up 4 of these. So yeah, I've got enough to go in my cupboard. And then this is the Christmas item that I picked up because I actually really wanted to get the sacks of these, and the better side of myself at Christmas time was like, no, I don't need to spend £9 on a sack like to put presents in. So I didn't buy them because obviously I needed 3, so that is like nearly £30 on Christmas stockings, and I just thought I don't need them, so I didn't buy them. But when I was getting these mugs, they had like a small Christmas section in this particular B&M, and these were down to 50p. Like, how crazy is that? 50p. And I felt like, because they were 50p, one, I had to buy them, but also they had all of my kids' initials. So that was also another sign. I thought, actually, for the sake of £1.50, like if I actually don't use them, it doesn't matter. But I think they're gonna look really cute actually in this living room. And how much were they actually, like originally? Because it says £2.50, but I know that they were a lot more than £2.50. Don't know how much they were. I wanna say they were like £6 maybe, if the sack was like 9. Like, look at the cute pom-poms. And I mean, nobody wants to see Christmas stuff in January, and actually at the end of January, but I think this was a sign that I was meant to get them. The woman at the till was like, I'm actually really annoyed because she bought the other ones at full price. And I was like, well, you know, these things happen. So I've got an A and 2 M's for 50p. So we can't go wrong. Moving on to the last bag, we have some bathroom bits. So I'm currently renovating I'm currently renovating. No, I'm not renovating. My husband is renovating our family bathroom, and it's my job to buy all the decorative bits. So here I was in B&M. I actually didn't plan to buy anything like this because we don't even really know the colour scheme. But I really liked the quality of these, the colour, and I just felt like this is something I would have in my home. So I've bought the whole set and hopefully we'll use it. So this is from the bathroom collection. It is a marble toilet brush. So this is like the first piece of the set. This was £8, and I think that's such a good price as well. It's called Natural Marble, this set. and the pattern on it, it's just, it looks so expensive. It has a tiny sparkle to it as well. And I think this toilet brush is actually one of those like horrible brushes, so I won't use that, and that is why I thought I could replace it with a silicone one. And then I saw that they had replacement toilet brushes with the silicone heads, because I just prefer these. I feel like you can clean them, whereas those brush ones, it gives me nightmares. So yeah, these ones I'm gonna try somehow and put that stick through like this little cream bit so that I can have, I don't know if it's going to work, but I thought I would try it anyway. So that's that. And then in that set also they had the toothbrush holder. This is for electric toothbrushes, and I just think these ones are better because then you can have like toothpaste and toothbrushes. And this was only £5. This is what I originally saw in the first B&M, because I've had to go to 3 B&Ms to pick up this whole set. I then bought this little holder. I don't really know why. I was thinking makeup brushes maybe in my daughter's room. There's the receipt, look. That one was £2.50. And I also got the soap dispenser. I don't really like the chrome pump, so I probably will switch that. I think just like a cream one would be nice on there, but that means I'm probably gonna have to buy another soap dispenser to get a different pump, but that was £4. And then also in that set we have a little marble tray. They do also do a little soap dish, but I don't really like to have like a lump of soap on a dish. I feel like it just gets lumpy and sticky, and I don't like that, so I don't really have soap. I did get this tray, and that was £5. I thought that would actually be nice, you know, when you have like the bath tray. I want to get like a wooden one, because I actually did buy the black one. I don't know if anyone's been in B&M, but they had like this big sale and they had these black bath trays and they were £5, and I did pick one up. But now I'm thinking I want to go for like that natural wood bath tray with like something like this on it, with like maybe a diffuser or candle. This is so bad. On my old bath tray, I used to have a bar of soap and nobody was allowed to use it because it was like for display. But yeah, we don't live in them times anymore. So anyway, and the last thing I've got, I actually forgot I bought this. This is such a nice vase. I'm really into vases at the moment. I don't know what it is. I keep buying vases, but this one was £8. It's in the Care Culture collection. Just really love the style of that. I really like a matte vase. I just think the texture of them, just everything, I just really love how they look, and they always look so much more expensive than they are. So I need to find a place for this. This probably would go in the bathroom, but again, I've already bought a new vase to go in the bathroom, so I'll have to find a home for that. But I just thought that that was so nice. So that is everything that I've picked up in B&M. I hope you've enjoyed the haul, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.